Hello guys, I'm out here at the White Bayou trying to look for anything interesting. For example, there's a lot of holes in the ground, and every now and then you'd find something like this. A bullet that had been splattered. So I was walking, not really paying attention to where I was going. Sounded like someone almost died. And I found this guy. A very upset noodle. This is a broad-banded water snake. Nothing to be afraid of. He's apparently very upset with me for some reason. Probably because I just grabbed him. Ooh, so scary. So scary. Alright, I'm gonna let this guy go. Hey buddy, I just need you to not... Alright. Talk to you other guys later.